How to create a webmail account in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cPanel, this is the cPanel dashboard we see. To create a webmail account, first we need to click the Email Accounts option under the Email section. This will open the Email Accounts page. To create a new webmail account, we need to click the Create button. Here we will need to enter the information required to create a webmail account. First, select the domain for which you want to create the webmail account. For example, I want to create a webmail account for the Designo page domain, so I will select that domain here. Next, in this field, we need to enter the username webmail account. Next, we need to set a secure password webmail account. We can either click the Generate button. This will create a strong random password automatically. Or if you prefer, you can also type your own custom and secure password for the webmail account. Finally, scroll down and click the Create button. Now you can see the webmail account listed on the Email Accounts page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.